Hey everybody, in this video we got a Schlage BE365 electronic deadbolt here, and don't need to rekey it, but I need to make a key. So I'm going to use our SC1 Lishi, and we will go ahead and pick this guy, and then we'll decode it here and cut a key. So the knob free spins here. It's got to get the knob where it's not going to free spin on me. So I'm just holding that with my hand here. So one of those might actually be easier to do what's actually on the door, but I'm just going to go through. Okay, we'll click on 5. Click on 2. We'll click on 3. Okay, I click on 4. I think I actually overset it, so I'm letting off tension a little bit here to let it reset. Okay, click on 1. Alright, and we're now picked, so actually picked open pretty easy. And this has to actually turn and push in. Now it's in the picked position here. We'll be able to actually read it. So decoding it here, we're going to see here. Alright, so I'm going to call that, it might be a 6 here. Actually, the best way to actually do this Schlage one, if you can, is to just let the lifter just kind of free fall, not push it. The problem with Schlage is there's 10 possible depths and not a very, it's only a 1/2 inch cylinder. So got it now. We're just going to let the lifter just fall. So I'm going to call that a 6. And we'll call that a 7. Alright, so 6, 7. Looks like 8. And see, so 4 is definitely an 8. 3. Alright, 4 is definitely an 8. And then position 5 looks like it's going to be a 7. So 3 is like right between 7 and 8 here. I'll just cut it to a 7 first, and I'll just make it deeper if I have to here. So I'll write down on 3, 7, and then 8, and 5 was also a 7. So I got 6, 7, 7, 8, 7 here is what I'm actually decoding here. And if a key doesn't work smoothly, I'll just cut 3 to an 8. But you're not sure, just always cut it to the shallower one. So anyway, let me go ahead and get the cylinder back into the unpicked position and run over to my blitz real quick here and cut a key. Be right back. Alright, so here's our key here. I went ahead and just cut it to 6, 7, 7, 8, 7. Let's see if it works. And it's not working here, so what I'll do, since we're at 6, 7, 7, 8, 7, I'm just going to cut position number 3 to an 8 as well. Alright, so I cut position 3 to an 8. And that works perfect. So bidding on that then was going to be 6, 7, 8, 8, 7 is what it was here. So like I said, if you're ever confused on one, just cut the shallower one, because you can always look for marks, or just cut it to the next deeper one here and you got it. So anyway, that's the SC1 Lishi picking and decoding a Schlage BE365 electronic deadbolt. And so as usual, man, if you've got any questions or comments, I'll put them in the comments. And I guess also, I got an email address on there too. You can drop me an email if you want to. And there'll be a Lishi playlist floating on the screen too if you want to check out more Lishi videos. I got a lot of automotive ones on the channel. And that's going to do it for now, guys. Until next time, we will talk to everybody later.